Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is regarding how to create incident response plan. So what is an incident response plan? This is an approach to manage a security incident process. It is needed to approach the incident systematically, and there are the 6 stages that needs to be performed while properly analyzing an incident and creating an incident response plan. That is preparation, then identification, scope, eradication, recovery, and what are the lessons learned. So preparation, we need to create a central registration system. It is important in terms of saving time that all data can be examined from a single standpoint with a central log collection system that can manage large files. Right. Then is time synchronization. We need to enable NTP on all devices in the network is important for matching the time information of the logs that are collected and they are ingested into the system. User account management. The fact that the usernames of different accounts belonging to a person are the same and different from other person makes it easy to monitor user activities, right? Management of system and service accounts. The administrators of the services and systems should be appointed, and a document should be created on how to reach these managers if needed. Next is asset management. Instant access to information such as devices, operating systems, patch versions, and critical status should be available. Next is secure communication. If it is necessary, then team may need to communicate independently of the internal network. For such cases, mobile phones and secondary emails can be used. Next is legal transactions, the method of who will initiate the judicial process. So this is just preparation. Next is identification, where you need to review, assign, and use the checklist. For a potential suspicious incident, preliminary information about that incident should be gathered. It must be decided whether that situation is a suspicious event or not. Then we need to assign that. The first person to examine the incident must be determined. And next is using the checklist. There should be the checklist for the analysis to be made in order to ensure consistent responses to the incidents. Next is scope, that is characterizing the event. Since determining the event will determine the actions that needs to be taken, it is important to determine the type of incoming event. For example, that event is a DDoS attack, malware infection, or it is a data leak. Next is taking action. Action should be taken according to the technique that is used to intercept the attacker's method quickly. If there is an account that it has captured, simple measures such as account deactivation and IP blocking should be done, right? Then is data collecting. The image of the volatile memory along with the firewall, network traffic, and other logs will be required for this investigation. Next is isolation. Unplugging the compromised system should be solution. It is a more viable solution. And next is eradication, identifying the root cause and determining the rootkit potential. If rootkits are suspected in the system, the disk should be clean and a clean backup should be installed. After the installation, the latest update of existing applications and systems should be installed. Then the defense should be improved. Vulnerability scan should be done. Next is recovery, that is verification. We need to verify that login systems, applications, databases, and other operations are working correctly. Next is restore. Option is coordinated. Then monitoring and the lessons learned, that we need to write a follow-up report. That's it for this video. We'll solve the next lecture in the next video. Do subscribe to the channel too for more such videos, as we post videos every day at 1:30 a.m. IST timing. Subscribe for more. Thank you.